So welcome back my dear track fans to the YouTube channel, and today we have something amazing to report to you guys because we have recently spotted Noah Lyles and his Jamaican girlfriend Bromified Jr. And also we were able to spot Shericka Jackson with Noah Lyles and her boyfriend. Now I will be reporting every single thing you need to know, track fans, about this vacation that Shericka Jackson and Noah Lyles' girlfriend went on. We all know that Bromified Jr. is from Jamaica and she is definitely dating Noah Lyles. Now the big question is, what was Shericka Jackson doing in that vacation? Because track fans, on that picture we were able to spot Shericka Jackson in the swimming pool swimming together with Noah Lyles. So in this video I will express every single thing you need to know about Shericka Jackson connection with Noah Lyles. You are going to know every single thing that you need to know. So track fans, before I continue with this video, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe and also like this video. As you can see, this is a video of Shericka Jackson and definitely Noah Lyles laughing all together in the swimming pool. Now in case you don't know, Noah Lyles loves Jamaicans a lot and his one and only girlfriend is Junior Bromified. Shericka is not Noah Lyles' girlfriend. Shericka has her own boyfriend, her own fiancé from Jamaica. Shericka is dating someone from Jamaica, not Noah Lyles.